Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Removal: remove the 4mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the top cover. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the solid-state drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot on the system board. Gently insert the solid-state drive into its slot on the system board. Replace the 4mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the top cover.